No scan tool, no problem. In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to safely release electronic parking brake using nothing more than 12-volt battery and 2 jumper wires. Today, I'll show you how to release an electric parking brake motor without using scan tool when replacing rear brake pads. Before starting, safety comes first. We will be using 12-volt battery and jumper wires to operate the parking brake motors directly. Make sure the positive and negative wires never touch each other. A short circuit can damage components, blow fuses, or cause injury. Locate the electronic parking brake motor connector and identify the 2 motor wires using jumper wires from 12-volt battery. Briefly apply power into the motor. If the motor moves wrong direction, simply reverse the polarity. Operate the motor only until the parking brake mechanism is fully retracted. Do not keep powering the motor once it reaches to stop. So overturning or overdriving the motor can damage the internal gears and actuate assembly. So once the motor is fully retracted, you can proceed with the brake pad replacement. So you need to decide which way the caliper go, either turning or pushing the piston. So as you've seen on the video, this car had the pushing type brake piston. So it's a SsangYong Rexton. So the job is done. So remember, this method can be useful in certain situations only, but always follow the manufacturer's repair procedures whenever available. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with other DIYers and technicians. Once you finish, press the brake pedal several times. Simply apply the parking brakes. Make sure everything okay. Thank you.